Hello, Tom. Got your booster here, rebuilt. I took the liberty of getting rid of the rubber diaphragm, which I'd shown you earlier was curdled, and I've put a leather diaphragm inside here so that this access port is valid for putting mineral oil in here to lubricate the leather seal, just like it was originally. Now then, I've got your other nose piece on here so that you can have your brake light switch. The only thing I left alone was this. I'd already seen a kit had been installed in here for the check valve, which is a non-serviceable poppet inside here, and eventually that poppet goes bad, and what Mercedes or ATE wanted you to do is replace this whole thing, except they don't sell them anymore, haven't for years. And even when they reproduced the new boosters, they did not make any of these extra. They do not sell these. They didn't think to make any more, which is just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, somebody should be shot over that. Anyway, so tested your booster, and unfortunately this thing is leaking, and this is a problem that we are facing. We are in the middle of trying to reproduce the internals here to make our version of it, make a repair kit. There are several out there, but none of them are designed specifically for this booster. They fit other boosters, and then they have to be, your air filter mechanism has to be modified. So anyway, here's the test. I'll tell you what, let me go over the expected results. This is the vacuum side here, and both gauges will go up and read vacuum, and this gauge will stay constant, and with up 20 inches or more, and then this gauge will slowly go down to 0 the more the booster is activated. Vacuum dump coming from here. Now then, if I push inside here and close that vacuum leak off, you can see the vacuum going back up, but unfortunately, so gotta do some. The booster itself will function, but obviously we've got no boost. We've got whatever, 350 in, 350 out, 350 out. So the booster's not functioning. And no matter what I do with the booster activated, I cannot push this in. Deactivate the booster, and that goes back to where it's supposed to be. So I gotta do a little bit more sleuthing, see what's going on in here, which is unfortunate because I've got our prototype that we've designed is done pretty well, but we're still trying to get some produced and get it where it's viable for the market. Anyway, that's what we got going on so far. Sorry for the bad news, but making some progress.